TV61, on the other hand, is surging in trade post its Q4 numbers. Vamakshi is here to give us more details on that. Vamakshi, over to you.
Well, Sonia, a good set of numbers is what the company reported this time around and higher than what the street was penciling in, and as a result, the stock is surging in trade today. Let me quickly take you through the numbers. Total AUM was up nearly 3% sequentially to 4.67 lakh odd crores, and this was driven by both the the annual recurring revenue AUM as well as the TBR AUM. The yield on ERR AUM is up marginally to almost 62.8 basis points, while the yield for the TBR AUM has actually risen by almost 18 basis points sequentially. Revenue resultantly saw an uptick of almost 31%, and the growth was largely being led by the higher transaction and brokerage income, which was up nearly 114% sequentially to 216 crores. Operating expenses have also risen, but they have risen by a smaller margin as compared to the revenues. The cost to income ratio has improved to 52.4% resultantly, and as a result, operating profit is higher by almost 32%, net profit up nearly 24% for the company. Largely, let's also look at what some of the brokerages are saying. Jefferies has given a buy rating. Target price has been raised to 930 rupees per share. They have said that the wealth business is in the fast lane. The yields have improved. The AUM scale up by newly added teams should bring down the cost to income ratio by over 400 basis points in their opinion, and this in turn will drive PBT CAGR of almost 20% from FY24 to 27. Citi, on the other hand, has a buy rating on this counter with a target price of 850, and they have highlighted that elevated transactional income has driven the core PBT beat. So largely positive commentary coming in from brokerages. The stock is trading higher today.
Trading higher indeed, but off the highest point of the day is 361 WAM. It was up 13% at one point of time, but still trading with healthy gains of 5%. But moving on then, shares of Cyient DLM are higher in trade today after the company reported a good set of fourth quarter results. The net profit zoomed 80%.